In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear anonymous on Google Docs. If you want to open a Google Doc without showing your signed-in identity, this is a quick and simple method to use. The key idea is that you'll access the document through its share link in a private browsing window, so Google Docs treats you as an anonymous viewer instead of displaying your account name. This can be useful when you want a little more privacy while viewing a shared document. To begin, make sure you have the Google Docs share link. This is the main thing you'll need for the process to work. If someone has already sent you the document, copy that sharing link so it's ready to paste. Without the proper share link, you may not be able to open the document anonymously, so it's worth checking this first before moving on. Once you have the link, go to your Chrome homepage and open an incognito window. In Chrome, incognito mode gives you a private browsing session that is separate from your normal signed-in browsing activity. That separation is what helps prevent the document from automatically connecting to your usual Google account. If you already have Chrome open, just start a new incognito window and use that instead of your regular browser tab. After the incognito window opens, click into the address bar, also called the URL field, at the top of the browser, then paste the Google Docs sharing link into that field. Take a moment to make sure the full link is pasted correctly, since even a small mistake in the address can stop the document from loading properly. This step is very straightforward, but accuracy matters here. Next, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will load the shared Google Doc, and if the sharing settings allow access through the link, you'll enter the document anonymously. In many cases, Google Docs will show you as an anonymous animal avatar rather than displaying your real profile. That's how you can confirm the method is working. One important thing to keep in mind is that this works best when the document has already been shared in a way that lets anyone with the link view it, or otherwise allows access without requiring your personal login. If the file is restricted to specific accounts, you may still be asked to sign in, which would remove the anonymous part of the process. And that's it. By using the share link inside an incognito window, you can view a Google Doc more privately and appear anonymous while accessing the document.